So much love to share. Pure blackness, oneness, so rare.
Hey y'all, and thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. It's Ambria J coming back to you guys with another video. So you know, I was telling you guys in the comments of my SuperbWigs video that basically I had another review with them. Not another review, but basically I had a follow-up with them. After months had went by with them knowing that they sent me some bogus product, somebody else reached out to me. I would say, let me see, let me look. I got my phone here, so let me see. I want to give the exact date. So they messaged me September 16th, sent me an email basically saying that they were apologetic about the product that they received. And truthfully, I feel like the reason why they wanted to reach out to me again is because that SuperbWigs video of the buyer beware, the title and everything of the video, it wasn't, like I said, it was never for defamation of their business name, or it's just simply I want to make other people aware of the products that they're buying before they buy them as a regular consumer, not as a YouTuber getting sent some daggone hair, because it's just not fair. That's not right. That's not cool. That's not right. And I'm a firm believer everybody work hard for their money, and when they invest their money on something, they want it to be something that they can have that's worthwhile. I mean, I get it. The hair is probably not going to last for 2 years, 3 years. It kind of all depends on how you take care of it. I know that I can make it stretch, but for some people, with them, maybe their first time buying a wig, excuse me, or whatever the case may be, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to do people like that. You don't want to send people off on a blank mission like that. They had ended up saying that, you know, they're under new management. They wanted to send me out a new product, see how they can fix it. So at first, they were still trying to offer me $20, $30. And basically cut and dry said, if I can't get sent a new product that I can actually use, then I don't even want to talk to you guys. It's a waste of time. You know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, let's just be real. I spent $200 and I couldn't even wear the wig. I couldn't even wear the wig. The wig thrown in my closet somewhere. And the only reason why I still have it is because I paid for that mug. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm not throwing it away. Like I said in my previous video, there was nothing wrong with the hair itself. It was the construction of the wig. So, with that being said, they sent me out another wig. Right? This is how they stuff come packaged. Just like this. And she told me that she sent it on Wednesday night. Wednesday night I got an email with a tracking number, and it was here through FedEx. It was here by FedEx on Friday. Yep. They sent me a message saying, I am the new customer service girl, and I find that you have told us before that the cap size is not fit you. I'm reading this verbatim. Actually, I think it's not a big problem and anyone could meet that situation, but I sincerely apologize for my colleagues' bad attitude and inefficiency. I just hope to solve this issue to make you happy. Also, hope you could give us a second chance to serve you. Would you like some cash back or a coupon, dear? We would like to refund you $20 and give you a big discount for your order. So I kind of stopped them right there. No, because I don't plan on ordering from you guys anymore. So, and like I stated in my last video, I was like, maybe it was just that 360 wig. Who knows? Maybe they're new at making 360s. I'm not sure. But this is how the hair was sent in this box. I got it. It was rolled up just like this. Nothing fancy. So this hair is 22 inches. They didn't give me any density information. I don't know if it's 150 or 180. Truthfully, it kind of feel like a 180, but I'm not really sure. I'm just going off a feel. So this is the, see, and in this video I get to show you guys how the wig was constructed before, because it's pretty much constructed the same. Mine is having the lace all the way around, right? So shit, they sent me a one of those elastic bands, like the regular elastic band that you can buy from the store. They sent me a wig cap. I don't know if you guys can see this little wig cap. Focus. There you go. And then this is the piece that I was talking about in the last video. I don't want to put my nails in it. You see, it kind of looked like a damn bra strap thingy. And then it has like the hooks on this side, right? So I'm going to show y'all what's going on with this wig. Now, like I said before, the hair itself felt really good. So this is supposed to be a HD lace, she was telling me. Their new HD lace. This is how it looks. Right? So the hair is pretty much pre-plucked. And I'm going to test this out with you guys. I just want to kind of give you an update of this before I start working on it. I want y'all to see it as is right out the box. This is how it is. So y'all remember in the last video how I told you when it was a 360 it had a comb, boom, like right here. Why they put one right there, I don't know. So I guess when they actually looked at my video and they asked me to change the title several times before they even tried to fix the situation with me. They were seeing that it was getting a lot of views at this point, and they didn't want to discourage their customers. So, and I get it, I understand. However, I'm not going to lie for any company, whether you sending me hair, whether I'm paying for the hair, whatever the case may be. I will not sit here on this platform and lie to nobody, because I know how that feels. Once you spend your hard-earned coins and you get the hair and it is not what it seems. It's not like how it was on that one YouTube guru or YouTube whatever, you know. I'm not gonna do that. That's not who I am. I keep it too real with people to do that. So yeah, this is 3 combs, 2 combs here, 1 comb in the back, adjustable strap in the back. The only issue I have right now, why y'all put this here? Why do y'all put this here? Like, why did y'all sew this here? Like, I get what you was doing, but check it out. So right here you see it looks like the little bra thingy, right? See it, right? There's only a hook on one side of this. Only one hook. How am I going to attach the other side? And then, I don't know if you can see, but they have it so close to the hairline that you can see it. If you, like, if I were to thin this out, which I usually do, if I were to thin this out, that would be exposed. So now, even now, if I try and cut into it to remove it, I'm risking cutting the lace off right here. And this is where hair is. That's a problem for me. That's something that I really feel like they should get away from. Don't make that decision for somebody else. If they want to put an elastic band in this hair, in this unit rather. Let me make the decision if I want to put that in there or not. Because some people, I know plenty of people that don't do an elastic band. They may use the strap. Now, as far as shedding, with what I just did, I don't know if you guys can see, And I'm gonna bring it up close. This is what, let's count them out. 6 strands. That was my first passing through. I got more strands. This is about 5 strands. Let's see. More strands. Final pass through. And I get it. It's hair. It's going to shed. But I don't want anything that's shedding excessively. So again, I got about 4 strands in that third passing through. So I just wanted to come on and let you guys know what's up. I am going to be, they try to pre-bleach these knots. I can tell, I can see it. You know how it looks when they try and pre-bleach, but they didn't quite let it set long enough. In the front it looks pretty decent, but when you get back here to the back, looking a little rough. So I am going to be bleaching the knots, re-bleaching the knots toward the back. I ain't gonna touch the front because you know that is going to cause shedding and stuff like that. But I will be doing that, and I'll be coming on to install the wig, or I can even do a time lapse of me just plucking a wig and show you guys how I pluck the last wigs. I've been real lazy lately. I don't want to pluck wigs and stuff like that. I know that's bad. It'd be like, man, fuck, I gotta do this too. Like, it just be a lot. I can't get with it. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I did receive another product from them. This is their 22-inch HD lace, and the hair feels good. I mean, the hair is thick. I mean, let's see, the ends, they're a little straggly. But you know, you can work with it. It seems to be okay. I mean, we'll see. Like I said, the last time with SuperbWigs, it was not the hair. I didn't even get a chance to wear the hair to really tell y'all how the hair was. You know what I'm saying? Because I couldn't fit the fucking wig. So, hopefully this time. And let me see if I can do a little quick test run to see. Hold up, y'all. I don't want y'all to judge me. Let me just do a little test run and see if I can actually fit this damn wig, okay? I ain't pulling my baby hairs back for this. You know, kind of line it up like how I would normally. I ain't gonna do the flip over method. Ain't nobody got that type of time, okay? So we're gonna see. So from what I can see, it has a lot of room. But I want to show y'all something that I noticed too with this wig too. When I first put it on, wait a minute now. I'm gonna have to bring it down. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring it down a little. So this is currently the hairline on this side, and this is the hairline on this side. Hopefully y'all can see that real good. And I don't know if I'm making a separate video. I think this is just gonna be an informative video, just showing y'all what to expect with this particular wig. Now, like I said, they sent me this wig. I will be very clear, they sent me this wig. I did not pay for this wig, and the reason why they sent this wig to me is for correction of the past wig that I was unable to use. Okay, so I don't know if I should be showing you guys. Let's see. Let's see the parting. Good child. Wait a minute. So the parting seems to be very, very deep. No issue there. I don't know if y'all can really see it. The parting is about this much, about 6 inches. It's definitely about 6 inches. There's no baby hair on this wig, so if you want baby hair, you'll have to cut it yourself. But one thing I noticed, and I hope you guys will be able to see it once I take this off. When I got this wig, there's like a huge line of demarcation. And I think this is because maybe they just added more hair. Because one of the things that I said in my previous video, it was like they put the lace on. They put the lace on, but it was hella lace. Like the lace was like all the way down to like my nose or to my top lip, right? So as you can see on here, there's a line of like demarcation. Like you can see it. It's like right here. But it goes all to each side, to ear. And it's probably they just put more hair there. I don't know if y'all know, like, ever seen a wig manually made before. But basically they just do it manually. They tie the knots. It's like they brought the hairline up a little bit more, which is cool. I'm not tripping. You know what I'm saying? When I put it on, it seems to blend pretty decent. But like I said, I'm going to be coming back in another video, and I will show you guys this wig installed. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys what this wig looked like upon arrival before I start digging in it and plucking it and all of that. So this is how it looks. Again, the hair, the last time it was like this. Same thing. It didn't have as much shedding as this one had, because I always do a strand test and I run my fingers through the hair, and I really wasn't getting any. And it's possibly because the knots is bleached now. I'm not sure. When I got the other wig, there was no knots bleached. And again, how you can tell that the knots has been bleached already, you can look at the cap and you can see those gold tones in the cap. That means that it has been bleached. So I am going to install this wig, and I will come back to you guys in another video. I just wanted to give y'all an update, let y'all know that I did receive a lace frontal. I'm not sure the density. Maybe I'll reach out to them and ask them the density of the wig that they gave me. And we'll just see how it goes as far as installation. And I think that I want to try and do this wig as a glueless wig instead of you know, bonding it down with my bold hold. So I think I'm going to try that.